So here's this app which is going viral on TikTok. It's called Humans Anonymous, or like Humans app. It says like being human is hard. You're not alone. Find your community. Join a weekly meeting. Always anonymous. Connect with other members. It's like online hug. So find communities for breakups, relationship, dating, ADHD, anxiety, loneliness, gratitude, and more. Join a weekly meeting to share your struggles, get advice, and support each other. Connect one on one with other community members. This is a safe space to connect with people who are just like you. Share how really you feel, or just listen in. So the idea of so basically, if you open the app, you will see this interface. It's actually quite easy to understand and easy to use. So basically, even in a free version, you have like just a feed of different communities which you can join, and different chats which you can talk about. And then will be like a community chat which you can join after you attended 10 meetings. So to attend meetings, you just tap on Join Now button in the top. And what are those? Meetings are basically anonymous audio spaces where you can listen first to other people just sharing their issues, and all of it is happening anonymously. You don't know who is speaking and all of that, and you just have like a limited time frame during which you can express your concerns or just share something that concerns you and something like that, and other people will just listen, they can react, they can support you, and then you can also be in the queue where you can also express your feelings. It's also very kind of like time limited, but for a lot of people it kind of quite helpful, because if you have some issues, you can just express them and then you can feel better. So that's basically the idea. And it's not just that you write something, you can just speak to it, and that's mentally can be quite helpful to a lot of users. So here's basically how the chat looks like. You can see just one person speaking, and some other people listening. They are in the queue, and then you can just also react or support the person. There's also possibility of a chat. There are some guidelines here which you shouldn't break. That's just basically how it looks like. So that just basically was the chat, as you can see, and then you can see your stats, your daily streaks, how much time did you went to the chats, how many minutes you listened, total hearts you received, total meetings you attended, total shares, weekly streaks. And then after you reach out some of these stats, you can just join community chats on different categories, as you can see here. And then you can just express yourself, and then there are meetings open every day. You can see them here, and that's basically it. So it's like very simple idea. It's kind of like Clubhouse for an anonymous Clubhouse, mental Clubhouse, where you can just express yourself anonymously. If you want to talk to therapists, they also have some options here. And then also you can just add people and just share this app to other people. And then also here's your profile. You just have your name. You can if you want to add some additional features, like if you want to get some custom avatars, if you want to add specific status, make your profile pop, support mental health community, you can upgrade for $3 per week. So that's kind of in the range of normal prices, I would guess. It's like $12 per month, a bit more. So that's what you can get. And then here you just have also your account settings. In the bottom you can just tap to delete an account. If you think that your community is not represented, you can list and try to add your own communities. There is some support feedback, so that's basically the idea. If you're not happy with this app, you just want to delete all your data, you can just do that in the bottom. You can just tap to delete your account, and this way you'll completely delete your account and data as well. So if you just think that can be compromised or something. The same for communities. There are also voice rooms which you can also check out. And then there are also some communities chats. You can see a schedule for each community, next meeting when starts, and then you can just join these meetings on the different topics. So that's basically the idea. All types of topics and categories, and you can see in the schedule. You can set up notifications, and the more meetings you attend, the more chats you can join, and so on. So that's that. Yeah, all of this right now you see it's in the free version, so they are quite generous that you can do majority of this stuff in the very free version. Yeah, if you just want to access all these additional things which are kind of less important, like your custom avatar and all of that, then you will need to upgrade. So this app gives you a lot of meetings for free, the main opportunity of this app. Other than that, like, it just lets you upgrade if you just really want to add some additional avatars and all of that. So it's quite generous from app developers because they could have just gated a lot of the content here. But anyhow, that's the app. Give it a try. As I said, it's just going viral on TikTok. I don't know if it's just one type, like one hyped up thing and all of that, or this app will find some additional traction. But I think the core idea is quite good. It's just Clubhouse, but it's anonymous, related to mental issues. This app is quite helpful for a lot of teenagers, a lot of people on TikTok posting that it was actually quite helpful for them. So that's basically what it is. And thanks for watching.